Hello everyone, my name's Amanda and this is my intro video for EDCI 566. It's my first semester in the Learning Design and Technology program, and I chose this photo to sort of represent the inner workings of my brain in this first semester because it can feel a little overwhelming after returning to academia and education after many, many years absence. But I'm excited to be here. I've completed one course and looking forward to getting into my second. My professional background, I graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in English, Literature, and Creative Writing from the University of Minnesota. I spent some time in health and human services, social work, working with adults who have serious and persistent mental illness, also in the Twin Cities area. And from there, I transitioned into teaching English by first earning a TEFL and then sort of setting off overseas. The first place I landed in was Ho Chi Minh City. I lived there for 7 years and I developed my teaching skills from a language teacher into more classroom language arts. And I found my niche working with middle school students age grades 7 through 9. In the past 3 years, I've been living in Shenzhen, China, which is a fantastically enormous city, but still has several elements of just really stunning natural beauty. And I was really lucky to have the spot that I had there. You can see in the pictures, it was right on the shore, and it had just a lot of natural beauty and really great weather for most of the year. Personal interests, obviously, within my 10 years abroad in Asia, I've developed a real appreciation for that continent in travel. And some of my 3 favorite places that I've been able to travel in this time has been Sri Lanka, Rishikesh and Dharamsala in India, and also Hoi An, Vietnam. Other personal interests, I have a great interest in yoga and meditation, and I completed a yoga teacher training in my time in Rishikesh, which was a really valuable personal experience for me. I'm also a very big fan of music and a musician. I can play guitar, piano, clarinet, and saxophone, and I also have a really eclectic collection of just random instruments that I've somehow inherited over the years. And finally, the great outdoors, hiking, swimming, canoeing, kayaking. Recently, I've gotten into Nordic skiing in the winters here in the Midwestern United States. It's just incredibly refreshing to be outdoors in nature. I find it good for the soul. My top media apps. I am a podcast junkie of sorts. I love listening to podcasts and gaining different perspectives and different topics, mainly history, news, storytelling, and comedy. That's kind of what I gravitate towards in the podcast world. I also really rely heavily on my YouTube Music app. Love it. Make tons of playlists, and all of its focus music has been helping me kind of work through the assignments and other challenges of the courses here in the LDT program. And finally, I use Headspace, and mindfulness and meditation app almost every day, just to kind of stay grounded, stay connected, and stay refreshed mentally. So that's a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to meeting and working with everyone in the program, and thank you so much for watching.